A very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss the topic building planning. First of all, what's the plan of a building? It is grouping and arrangement of components of building in a systematic manner so as to form a homogeneous body with a comprehensive lookout to meet its functional purpose. In the planning of a building, it depends upon the functional object and its requirements, the component parts, sizes and interrelationship, topography and shape of plot, climatic condition and the location and neighborhood. We can explain it in a simple way. Consider our residential building that we are living, our building, our own houses. Just consider our residential building. We know that there are different type of rooms. Depends upon their purpose. There are dining rooms, drawing rooms, bedrooms, prayer room, toilets, like that. We are dividing these rooms on the basis of the purpose. That is the plan. And we are planning. The principles of building planning depends upon different aspects. Some are aspect, prospect, privacy, roominess, grouping, circulation, furniture requirement, flexibility, sanitation, elegance, and economy. First one, aspect. We can explain aspect. The definition is a placement of different rooms of house in accordance with our activities at different hours of a day. Room should get enough sunlight and air, which gives comfort, cheerful atmosphere, and hygienic condition. You can explain it like this. We know that if we are planning a residential building or any type of building, if it's commercial building, if it is a residential institutional building or industrial building, anything, our main function is to get maximum sunlight and air. These two terms are explaining in aspect. And the second one is, before that, each room means bathroom, for example bedroom, dining room, drawing room. Each rooms have their own importance. For example, kitchen and office where we will plan it only on the eastern side. Study room, storeroom, library on the northern side, and bedroom and bathrooms on the west side, and living rooms, verandas, drawing rooms, stairs, dining room on the south side. Next point is prospect. Is the disposition of doors and windows in the external walls, which means occupants can enjoy the gift of the nature, namely sunshine, breeze, view of landscape, etc. By using this diagram, by using this picture, we can explain this prospect. Here we can see that a human being is there in the inside building, the inside part of the building, and he is viewing outside. And we can see that the window placed there is a small one, so he can't enjoy, he is not able to enjoy the outside beauty, the plants and the trees, like that. He is not able to enjoy the outside beauty of the nature. This is because of the lower size, the small size of the window. If we are placing a higher window, then he can enjoy, then he will be able to enjoy the outside beauty of the nature. That's the prospect. We can design the doors and windows. Next one is a privacy. As the name indicates, is a privacy. Privacy are of two types. Privacy of all parts of building with reference to surrounding buildings, roads, etc. And the next one is a privacy of one room from another room. And internal privacy can be achieved by providing curtains, providing screens, etc. Next one is a roominess. Roominess is we can explain it like this. It's getting maximum use of a room with minimum dimensions or space of the room, which means we are using the maximum area of a room. We are not, which means we are not wasting any part of the building. We are using the maximum space inside the building. Next one is grouping. Grouping means it's the arrangement of various rooms according to their functions or uses. Only location of rooms are important. Grouping are of two types, good grouping and improper grouping. From the diagram itself we can explain the good grouping and improper grouping. From the good grouping we can see that near to kitchen dining room is there, and in improper grouping near to kitchen bedroom is placed. By the diagram itself we can we will get the difference between the what is good grouping and what is improper grouping. Always go for good grouping. And grouping is an arrangement of different rooms with reference to their functions. It improves the comfort, privacy, and convenience and minimizes the circulation. That's the same one we explained above with the diagram, with the figure. Next one is circulation. Circulation means it is access into or out of a room. It is internal movement inside the building. Circulation means it is the internal movement of a human being inside the building. And circulation area shall be straight, short, bright, lighted both day and night, well ventilated and free from obstructions. And it should not affect privacy, not interfere with utility. Next one is furniture requirement. It's a function of the room decides the furniture requirement of that room. For example, we all know that in the bedroom, it's a single or double beds, dressing table, almirah, etc. In the dining room, dining table, chairs, cupboards, etc. In the living room, we will use sofa, teapot, TV case, showcase, divanis, etc. TV stand, etc. Next one is flexibility. Flexibility is to facilitate accommodation of changes in the plan of the building in future if necessary. If we are planning to renovate our building, then we should plan it very well. That is flexibility. Next one is sanitation. As the name indicates, sanitation is the provision and upkeep of various components of house to keep inmates free from disease. And the factors influencing sanitation are lighting, ventilation, and cleanliness. Next one is ventilation. Ventilation is a system of supplying or removing air by natural or mechanical means to or from any enclosed space to create and maintain comfortable condition. In the aspect, we explained that the two major important factors we should consider are light and wind. That's the same thing explained here also, ventilation. In the rooms, in the inside part of the building, we should get enough sunlight and enough air. For this, we are providing ventilations. Basic requirements in ventilation are sensation of comfort, reduction in humidity, removal of heat, proper supply of oxygen, and the reduction of dust. Next one is elegance. It's just opposite to prospect. Prospect means we are enjoying the outside beauty of the nature. In elegance, the outsiders will enjoy the beauty of our home or the beauty of our building. Elegance means the aesthetic view of the building or the beauty of the building. And of course, the last one is economy. Economy is economy. Economy means we all know that what is economy. We are explained the 10 principles of planning. And in that, if we have no money, then we can't plan a residential building or a commercial building or an industrial building. So economy is also an important factor in the building planning. So these are the 11 major factors in the building planning. Thank you so much.